Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin in Settings, go to Touch ID and Passcode and enter your passcode so the system can add a fingerprint securely. Place a clean, dry finger flat on the Home button and lift when prompted. This captures the center. Once done, adjust slightly to capture different edges. Repeat the press and lift sequence about 5-10 times so the sensor builds a complete map. This reduces failed reads later and makes unlocks faster. Now refine the setup by adding alternate angles and fingers so the iPad recognizes you in varied grips. You should rotate the finger slightly each time or register the same finger twice at different angles. This increases reliability when you hold the iPad differently. Make sure to give fingerprints clear names so you can manage them later. Also enable Touch ID features you want, unlocking, Apple Pay, or App Store purchase. Finish by testing Touch ID in real use. Try unlocking with a case, while holding in portrait and landscape, and after short waits. If it fails frequently, delete the problematic fingerprint and re-add it with extra angle coverage. Also wipe the Home button gently to remove oils. If the sensor stays unresponsive, restart the iPad and retry. These steps fix most issues. If problems persist, contact Apple support so they can check hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.